Hello children, how do you do? I hope all are good and fine, isn't it? Yes, good children, you are welcome to our writing practice session. In previous class, what we had learned? Yes, cursive letters from A to M, isn't it? Have you all practiced the letters? Yes, fine, good. Today we are going to see the remaining letters. Okay children, shall we start? Yes. Have you all taken your notebooks and pencil and eraser? Yeah, good. Take your note, a 4-rule note, pencil and eraser with you and just follow me. Okay, children? Shall we start? Yeah, good. So, till last we had seen M, isn't it? Today we start from N. So, how to draw N? Start from the third line with a small curve, a slanting and another slanting and one more slanting forms N. Okay. So, all should be in slanting, not a straight, everything should be, all the 3 line shots should be in slanting form. So, a small curve, a little curve, a slanting and another slanting from the top to the bottom, and from bottom to the top draw one more slanting with a small curve. This is letter N. Okay children? Yes. Then next after N, O. How to write? Yes, this is letter O. So, I have to draw just a small slanting and draw like this and a small loop. This makes the letter O. Okay children? Yes, good. Next, after O, I have to write P, a slanting, a straight and almost straight and a curve. This forms letter P. A straight and just a small loop with the straight and a curve form the letter P. Okay children? A straight, a small loop with the straight and a curve makes the letter P. Okay. Yes. Then next to P is Q. So, just start with O with a small loop and then here a small curve. Okay children? Yes. So, write O, letter S, start from a slanting and draw like this and put a circle and a small loop and here a small curve. This is Q. Okay children? Then next to Q is R. How to write R? Yeah, just draw a straight line and another straight joining with that and a curve and a slanting forms the letter R. Okay children? A straight line, a loop form of line here and a small curve and a slanting with the curve, join the curve and draw a slanting and a small slanting line. Okay, this makes the letter R. Okay children? Then next to R is S. A slanting, draw a slanting and a small circle and just draw a curve like this and join the curve with a small loop. This is letter S. Okay, a slanting, draw a slanting, a small curve and a big curve and just draw a small form of loop. This makes the letter S. Okay children? Yes. Next to S is T. So, just draw a small loop and a little bit slanting and draw a straight and just a small curve. Okay. So, a loop, a small loop and a slight slanting, a straight and just a small curve like this. Okay, this makes the letter T. Okay children? Yes. Then next to T is U. How to draw U? Yeah, I have to start from here. A little bit slanting and then an upward curve and end like this. This makes letter U. Okay children, a slanting, an upward curve and another one slanting and a small bend. This makes the letter U. Okay children, yes. Then next to U is V. How to draw V? Same like that of U, you have to draw just a small slanting in the middle of the line and draw like this and one more slanting and a small loop. Okay children, this mild slanting, another mild slanting line and one more slanting with a small loop forms the letter V. Okay children, next to V is W. How to draw W? Yes, the same way, a small slanting in the middle and a slanting, and the slanting moves from downwards to upwards and again comes downward and again the slanting goes to upwards with a small loop. Okay children, this is letter W. Okay, yes. Then X. So, the same way you have to start X from the middle of the line by using a small slanting and then a curve come till the bottom and then another curve that is facing outward. So, two opposite curves you have to draw. So, start from the middle of the line in a slanting and a curve with a small bend and another outward curve. So, this is letter X. Okay children, can you able to follow? Yeah, good. A slanting with a curve and a small bend and another curve that is facing outward makes the letter X. Okay children, and then next to X is Y. So, same way you have to start from the middle of the line and a small slight slanting like this, starting from here and upward curve, draw an upward curve and again one more standing and a small loop form. This make the letter Y. Is it clear? Yes, I will say one more time. A slight slanting and along with the slanting draw an upward curve and a standing and along with the standing you have to form a single loop. This makes the letter Y. Is it clear? Yes. Then next letter is Z. So, same way start from here and come down and half curve like this. Okay, a slanting and a half curve. It ends here and then one more curve. Come down to the bottom of the line and just draw a small loop. This is letter Z. Okay. So, how to write Z? A small slanting and light curve. Just as a curve should not bend more. A slight curve and one more curve with a loop. This makes the letter Z. Is it clear children? Do you have any doubt? Okay, good. So, practice these remaining letters in your 4-rule note for 2 times. Okay, children, and send to me. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next practice session.